Hello everybody. We were lucky enough to go to Middle Tennessee RV show this weekend in Lebanon, Tennessee. And I want to say we was going to try to film a little bit while we're there, but with the audio and everybody else coming in and out, and we just didn't get very good videos, so I'm just going to put a couple of the clips of some of the things we saw, some pictures, throw it in there, and put it together and just slide it through, just to show you what we saw. And with it being cold out, there's nothing much more to do than go to some places got indoor campers to show and have a little fun. Kitchen. Yeah. I even got an ice maker in the fridge. Well, that's like the control panel and the lights right there when you come in. Yeah, this is big. This is big. Slide outs are taller than us, so you can walk under. Spare bedroom. That's it off. I like the little things on the side of the stand. But this is more like it. And also I want to say thank you for everybody that said thank you for your service while we was there, and nice meeting all the other veterans that were there. I know that some of them, when we got to the end when we were walking around, I was getting awful tired and talks were a little short, but I really do appreciate all y'all, and thank you for your services too.